Coming into this Supercross season, Jalek Swoll was the only remaining rider of the three that started their debut season, and with the announcement coming out of Triumph, he will continue to race for the team with a contract extension that will have him riding with Triumph through 2026. Now, obviously, this year is going to be a wash for Swoll with the ACL injury that started or happened before the season even started, making him miss all of Supercross. And as far as I know, he's expected to fully recover and come back and race in the motocross series. But who knows how well he's going to do? I mean, obviously, coming off an injury like that, it's going to be a lot of time off the bike, a lot of time off of training. So whenever he does come back, whatever point in the outdoor season that is, we're gonna have to see where he falls into the power rankings. I mean, at least this year, it's been shown that from Jordan Smith, at least, that bike is still competitive. It's not gone down. It's anything gotten better. So when he comes back, it's going to be the question of what can he do with it? What can he do in the outdoors? And how many people are going to be there? He could have a really good season. He could come back feeling well, having a lot of time off the bike, and you could have all these guys coming in with, minor injuries or lag or nagging little things, and he could come back feeling pretty good. I mean, obviously, again, coming off the ACL injury, it's going to be how fit can he be? How much into uh, race speed is he? And we do have a quote from Jalek Swoll saying, "I'm super excited to announce my contract extension with Triumph Factory Racing. I'm also really proud of what we've achieved together since I joined the team, and I'm excited to keep building on what we've delivered so far. I was in a really good place with my speed before my injury this offseason, and I was ready to contend for wins, so when I'm back racing, the goal remains the same. Being offered a contract extension while being injured isn't something I'm taking for granted, and I can't wait to be back at the races with the team and showing everyone what we can do." With Jeremy Coker, the general manager of Triumph Racing America, saying, quote, "The team is really excited to extend its partnership with Jalek. During the preseason, he was on track to show people what he's capable of, so it was really unfortunate that he got injured. Looking forward, this new extension through the end of 2026 with Jalek staying on the TF 250X gives him plenty of time to fully recover and get back to racing when he's 100%. Rehab of his Achilles injury is on track, but it's something that you can't really rush, and at this stage, we're hopeful he'll be back for the second half of pro motocross. Then together, we can look forward for a full season of SMX next year. Overall, everyone involved is excited to have Jalek continue racing with us, and I'm looking forward to seeing him back in action." Now, obviously, if you're Swoll, this has to make you feel good. I mean, obviously, this is a year that's going to be a wash. You're not going to be in either championship. You're not going to be earning any points for them. You're not even going to be racing for them for 3/4 of the year. And to have a contract extension already out there, you don't have to worry about, next year having to get back on the bike and be right on, 100% racing fully, which, I mean, obviously, as a racer, you should be. You should be right on that bike, racing for wins as much as you possibly can. But just on the mental side of things, it's got to be nice to know that, hey, I'm set for next year. I've got a ride. It's going to be with a team that I know and I've been with for 2 years now. So it's not going to be switching bikes, switching mechanics, or whatever. It's just, it's got to be good for the mental side of things. And for him, who knows? I mean, obviously, this bike has shown that it is a competitive bike. It's fast, it's capable of podiums and wins. And for him, next year, that obviously should be the goal, or even motocross. By the time, if he gets back and he's healthy and he's fit by the end of the season, probably should be looking towards at least being up in the top five consistently, on the overall podium, maybe if you can get there, and we'll see where it ends up. But obviously, this is a good thing for him, good thing for the team. At least they think so because they've signed him again, so they expect him to do something well. But so I'm gonna leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good idea, bad signing. They should have grabbed somebody else. Obviously being a factory team, they could probably grab, you know, a few names. But so I'm gonna leave you. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.